welcome to the channel Get Rich. Today what we are going to look into is top 10 small and mid cap crypto coins to invest in this. So before going into the top 10 coins, first let's have a look at the market positions, how it is evolving over the past years. So first, if you have a look at the market, so in the previous cycle it was around from 1 billion to 10 billion rise. This is the total market cap including Bitcoin and all other altcoins. So the first cycle increased from $1 billion to $10 billion, and it had a bear market for a long period of time. And then it had a secondary cycle or the second cycle, and then it reached from 10 billion level to almost $800 billion. From that level, we had a bear market for some years, and then now it almost took up the previous all-time high, and currently it stands at around 1.7 to 1.8 trillion dollar, the total market cap. But then if you have a look at the altcoins, which is excluding Bitcoin, all other coins are called altcoins. So if we look at the altcoins, it increased from $100 million level to almost $5 billion in the previous cycle, and it had a bear market, and then it reached to almost 500 billion to 600 billion dollar in the previous cycle, and then it had a bear market, and currently it is sitting around almost 700 billion dollar. So the previous cycle top was I think around 500 billion to 600 billion dollar, and currently it is sitting around 750 billion dollar, just breaking the all-time high. If you look at the total market cap, it's almost more than double, but if you look at only altcoins, it just broke the all-time high. So I believe we have much more potential in altcoins than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is already 3 times its all-time high, almost $20,000 was the previous all-time high, and currently it's sitting around $60,000, so it's almost 3 times. But then if you look at the total altcoin market cap, it's just starting to break the new all-time highs. So I believe there are a lot of potential in the altcoins in the coming months. So then let's look at the market dominance. So the orange one here, you see the market dominance of Bitcoin. So how much percentage of Bitcoin is the total market cap? So if you look at that, so initially it was around very high, because Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency which came into existence, and it was having a significant percentage of the total market cap. And then the previous market cycle, it dropped pretty much. This is the previous bull cycle, the big bull cycle. We had a lot of altcoin surges in this period, and then during the bear market, Bitcoin dominance again rised up. But currently the Bitcoin dominance is slowly dropping from almost 70% level to almost 60% level, and I believe in the coming months it's going to drop even more, same like here or what happened in the previous cycle, and the Bitcoin dominance can drop to almost 50-40%. So I think during the end of this bull cycle, we can even see almost 30% dominance for Bitcoin and almost 70% dominance for altcoins. So which means huge rally for altcoins ahead. That's what I believe and my personal opinion. So then let's look at our top 10 coins. So the first one of the top 10 coin is IOTA. So I ordered the coins based on the market cap, so the bigger ones to the smaller ones. So the first one is IOTA. So what is IOTA? IOTA is an open source distributed ledger and cryptocurrency designed for the Internet of Things, IoT. So it uses a directed acrylic graph to store transactions on its ledger, motivated by a potentially higher scalability over blockchain based distributed ledgers. Because as you know, blockchains have many scalability issues. So blockchain technology is very good, but they are facing a lot of scalability issues. Big projects like Ethereum, even they are facing scalability issues. More and more people are using their blockchain network. They are facing big scalability problems. But IOTA does not have miners. The IOTA does not use miners to validate transactions. Instead, users that issue a new transaction must approve 2 previous transactions and perform a small amount of proof of work. So the transaction can therefore be issued without fees, facilitating micro transaction. The huge advantage of this particular coin is that they have no transaction fees in this particular network. So if you want to do many machine to machine based payments or micro transactions, we need to have no transaction fees, because you cannot have $5 transaction fee for a 10-cent transaction. So that's not possible with other blockchain networks. So currently iota has no transaction fee and it is very scalable because the users are validating the transactions. So more and more users are joining the network, the more and more scalability the iota network will support. So that's a huge advantage for iota. But then they are using the Tangle technology, the directed acrylic graph, but that's new. All the others are focusing on blockchain technology, and iota is more and more working on this Tangle technology, and they are proving it is possible with this technology to achieve more scalability and no transaction fees, and it is the next generation of the blockchain or the cryptocurrencies. So I believe they are going to do pretty well. That's my personal opinion again. So the previous all-time high for iota is almost $5.69. The current price is 1.45. It was sitting around 10 cents for a long time here in this range, and then currently it shot up to almost $1.45. So I bought here in this range. I'm pretty happy. I bought around 20 cents or 25 cents. But the current price is almost $1.45. But the all-time high, if you look at the all-time high, it's $5.69. So you look at for example Ethereum, the first Bitcoin broke the all-time high and went past, and then Ethereum followed, and then the next coins like Cardano, Polkadot, they are following, and then again Litecoin is also following, and then now iota, the smaller cap coins, also starting to catch up to the previous all-time highs. Once it break up the previous all-time highs, I am sure it can go much more. So my personal price prediction for iota is $25 to $50. So if you look at the potential, it has 25 times potential still after shot up this much, because it is moving higher and higher rankings. So it was around I think 30 or 35 ranking out of in the top 100, but currently it's sitting around 20 to 23. So they are doing pretty good. They are the market leader in the Tangle technology, and they are doing pretty huge work. They are introducing oracles into the iota ecosystem, and they are introducing new identity. So they are introducing a lot of new features. They are working on a lot of cool things, and they are also starting to integrate with people. So that's very good thing. So they are based in Germany. So they are doing a very good job. So I believe iota has a very huge potential in the coming months. So then my second coin is Pancake Swap. The name is quite funny, but the Pancake Swap is a Binance Smart Chain based DEX launched by anonymous developers with a penchant for breakfast foods and rabbits. So it looks a bit like Ethereum's Sushi Shop, which is a community governance, the ability to form liquidity provided tokens, but also incorporates many other features that lets us to earn rewards. So Pancake Swap is hugely emerged in the recent months because Ethereum is having problems with their gas fees. So if you want to do DEX using Ethereum network, you have to pay huge amount of gas fees. But the Binance Smart Chain offers an alternative solution with very less transaction fees. So the Pancake Swap is gaining momentum. So the all-time high for Pancake Swap is $21.41, and the current price is almost $16.74. So it had a pullback, and currently it's starting to rise again. So my personal price prediction for Pancake Swap is $75 to $100. So I'm estimating conservatively. So it still has a potential of 5 times to go up in the coming months. So then the third coin is Elrond. So what is Elrond? So Elrond is a highly scalable, fast and secure blockchain platform for distributed applications, enterprise use cases, and the new internet economy. So if you look into the all-time high of Elrond is $216, and the current price is almost $145. So it had a pullback. So as you see, if you look at the technical, so it is forming a wedge. So you see here it is the trend line, the resistance line, and this is the support line, and I believe this wedge is going to break up. So if it breaks up this particular wedge, and it's going to have a huge run up, that's what I believe. It is going to break up above, and it's going to go much higher. That's what I believe. So my personal price prediction for Elrond is $1,000 to $1,500. So it still has a potential of 9 times. So you look at already it went up huge, but I believe it still has a potential to go up 9 times from its current price of $145. The fourth one is Synthetix. So what is Synthetix? So Synthetix is a protocol that enables the issuance of synthetic assets on the Ethereum blockchain. So Synthetic supports synthetic commodities like gold and silver, and synthetic cryptocurrencies, synthetic inverse cryptocurrencies, synthetic cryptocurrency indexes, and synthetic fiat currency. So what is synthetic assets? So you can take any real world assets and put it into the synthetic version or the digital version into synthetics platform. So you can trade gold or any stocks, you can trade anything, and you can create assets in synthetics, and you can trade, do also derivatives in this platform. So it's a very good coin, I believe, and it's also going to have a huge run up in the coming months. So the all-time high of synthetics is $28.77, and the current price is $17.21. My personal price prediction for synthetics is $150 to $200. So it still has a potential to go up 10 times value in the coming month. So the next one, the fifth one, is the graph. So what is graph? So the graph is a project whose protocol allows for querying of networks like Ethereum and interplanetary file system. The protocol does the querying and collecting of the data without any interaction with a third party, in effect, in a secure and trustless manner. So we can say it's a Google of blockchain networks. So it performs the searches, quick searches in the blockchain applications or the blockchain networks. So it's also a very good use case, and it's a very good quality project. So I believe the graph is going to have a huge run up as well. So the all-time high for graph is $2.88, and the current price it's 1.61. So it had a quite good pullback, and you can buy it as a great price, because as you see here, it was this previous all-time high, the support, and it had a huge downtrend, but it has a very good support at this range. So I believe it is going to break this trend line anytime soon, and then it's going to go up. That's what I believe. So my personal price prediction for graph is $10 to $15. So it still has a potential to go up 8 times from its current price of $1.61. So the next coin in our list is Zilliqa. So what is Zilliqa? So Zilliqa is a cryptocurrency project that aims to make blockchains faster and more scalable. It uses sharding technology to streamline the consensus process so that Ethereum and other blockchains can host distributed applications or provide rapid transaction processing successfully. So Zilliqa is the first public blockchain to implement sharding on its mainnet, delivering high performance and high security for enterprises and applications. So the all-time high for Zilliqa is 0.23, and currently it's sitting around $0.17. I believe the price prediction for Zilliqa is $1 to $1.5. So it can go up to $1.5. That's what I believe, and that's still the potential to go up 7 times from its current price of 0.17. So it's almost reaching its all-time high, and once it breaks up, I believe it's going to go pretty huge. So the potential for this coin is also 7 times. So there are a lot of coins, it's going to perform more than 5 times. So it's going to have a very good coming months, I believe, after a current pullback. That's a good news. And then the seventh coin is REN. So what is REN? So REN is an Ethereum token that powers REN's open protocol for transferring cryptocurrencies between blockchains. REN aims to bring popular assets like Bitcoin and Shikas to blockchains, including Ethereum, making it possible for these assets to participate in a multi-chain decentralized finance ecosystem. So the all-time high for REN is $1.83, and the current price is $1.01. It had quite a pullback, and it had a support somewhere here, and it's starting to go up. So my personal price prediction for REN is $10 to $12. So it still has a potential to go up 11 times from the current price of $1.01. So then the eighth coin in our list is Ocean Protocol. So the Ocean token is the means of exchange on the Ocean Protocol network. So whenever their data is sold, providers earn Ocean tokens essentially as a reward for the services they have provided to the blockchain. So there are currently over 347 million Ocean tokens in circulation. So the all-time high for Ocean Protocol is $1.7, and the current price is $1.46. It had a little bit of a pullback, and then it's almost starting to go up. And my personal price prediction for Ocean is $10 to $15, and it still has a potential to go up 9 times from its current price of $1.46. And then the next coin is Utrust. So what is Utrust? So the Utrust platform allows merchants to accept digital currencies as a means of payment. So we can say it's a PayPal of cryptocurrency. So Utrust stands at the intersection of e-commerce, mobile payments, and cryptocurrencies. The team believes that Digital currency is the future of money and the genesis of a more open and more inclusive financial system. So the all-time high for UTrust is $1.42 and the current price is almost $0.68. My personal price prediction for UTrust is $5 to $10 in the coming months. So it still has a potential to go up 11 times from the current price of $0.68. And the last one in our list is Band Protocol. So Band Protocol is a cross-chain data oracle network that aggregates and connects real-world data and APIs to smart contracts. So Band Protocol enables smart contract applications such as DeFi, prediction markets, and games to be built on-chain without relying on the single point of failure of a centralized oracle. The first one is Chainlink. It has a top 10 coin. It has a market cap of almost 10 to 12 billion dollars. So, and the Band Protocol is the second, and I believe it is undervalued because it is not even top 100 project, and the first one is in the top 10, and the second one is not even top 100 project. So I believe it has a huge potential to go up. So the all-time high for Band Protocol is $20.53 and the current price is $14.53. Band Protocol price prediction according to me is $200 to $300. It can reach $200 to $300, I believe. So the potential for Band Protocol is pretty high at 17x from the current price of $14.53. That's it for today. So this is the top 10 list. I believe this is the top 10 small and mid cap coins which have a huge potential in the coming months. So I believe we are going to have a very good next 4 to 5 months or 6 months. I believe after that we'll have a bear market, but then next 4 to 5 months will be very, very good. We can seize this opportunity and use this opportunity to gain money, and then we can get out and then wait for the next bear market. So it's a very, very good opportunity. You can easily do 5 to 10x your money. At least very minimum 2 to 3x is the bare minimum conservative you can get in the coming months. That's already a very, very huge gain for compared to the traditional markets like stock markets or other any other commodity markets or futures markets. You can get a pretty good return and a very short amount of time in this market, but always understand the risk involved in this. So it can also crash at 70% or 80% anytime. So you have to understand the risk and you only allocate the positions according to your risk appetite. So invest only what you afford to lose. So that's what I would say. These are not a financial recommendation. This is my personal opinion. So you have to do your due diligence before investing in any asset. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And if you like this video, like, share and comment. And if you want me to analyze any other companies or cryptocurrencies or any other assets, please let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.